my name is Irene.
And my name is Sue.
And we are going to present China.
In China they speak Chinese.
Size. It's 9,571,300 square kilometers.
There are 1,286,975,500 inhabitants.
Its capital city is Peking.
It is located in Asia.
Flag. Its flag is red and yellow. There are 5 yellow stars on a red background. The red background symbolizes the revolution and the blood of those who died during the civil and war Japanese invasion.
The basic unit of Chinese currency is the yuan.
More interesting facts.
Qing dynasty was really important in China.
The biggest city is Shanghai.
The president is Jinping.
They produce rice, pineapples, tea, and so on.
The Great Wall has 6,400
kilometers.
China's alphabet is different from ours.
They invented pasta, porcelain, compass, etc.
And kimonos are the traditional costumes. Other expressions. Hello is ni hao. Repeat.
Ni hao.
Bye is Saiyang. Repeat.
Saiyang.
How are you today is Jinjiang Si Fei Fare. Repeat.
Jinjiang Si Fei Fare.
And China's traditional food is rice and tea. And this is the China's recipe.